my channel. So you know that I really love accessories. So I have some of the accessories that I got from UNBOXXKAR, and oh my god, so they are so budget friendly and so amazing. So I really love accessories, and all of these were just 20 rupees. From 20 rupees, there are things from 20 rupees all the way till 200-300. That's it, yeah. And they are so cute. There are many from Korea. So let's see what all I have. So this is the box. Just look at those. Yeah. So I'm gonna show one by one. So the first clip that I have is this one. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the one, and I really love the shape of this. It gives like that butterfly, yeah, and even the quality is very nice, and I really love. So I have a lot of thick and long hair, so I really need these. Yeah, so they are so nice, like very strong as well. Yeah, so loved it. Yeah. Another item that I really got is this paddle brush. I think this was for 400 or something. Yeah. So I really, love a paddle brush because it's so nice. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the paddle brush, and I wanted this blue color. Really love it, and it's so nice. Yeah. So this is, this can go into my handbag. So yeah, so this can go into my, handbag and all of that. So this is the pastel green, and yeah, so loved it. Yeah. Yes, so this is the next one. So you will see that everything that was so important. Yeah, so the next one that I have is I got two more of these. So they have this so cute so they have this fluffy it's a yellow color. Yeah, so I can use when if I'm wearing something very simple, I can spice up with good accessories. So I also took another color in this. I took a red one. So yeah, so they have this, this fur kind of clips. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, loved it. So this is the one. Yeah. So I think they were for 200 or something. Yeah, very cheap. Yeah. The next one that I have is I always need hair ties. Yeah. So I got this box, and I love like dark colors in my hair ties, and they have this grid kind of thing, and they're very strong as well. Yeah. So, I can also do braided hairstyles and all of that. So, I think you get like, it's a one box, and you get 30 pieces or something, I think so, yeah. So, when I oil my hair, I like to use black ones or, blue ones. And, when my hair is, washed, I like to use light colors. So, that's why, it also comes with a very good box so that you don't lose. Yeah. So, so this is another item, a must have. Yeah. And the next one is I am such a hairband person, like I need my hairbands. Yeah, for sure. So I took 4 colors. So again, like I like to wear light colors, when I wash my hair. For example, I just love, a hairband. It just spices up the look, like it makes you look so nice. Yeah. So I am such a hairband person. So I, took this one. This color, it's a rose color, and then I also have a green color. Yeah, the quality is also very nice. Yeah, so I have a hairband craze, and among my friends and everybody, I just put in the hairband craze. So yeah, so I also have another peach color. So I think each hairband was for 100 rupees or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, so this is another peach color, and I like to use black color when I oil my hair. So yeah, so I took four colors and everything. I like the black of all, and I also like this one, the pink one. This is also very nice. Yeah, so they look so good. So let me try the black one. Yeah, so when I just look at that. Yeah, so when I use for a when I use for my oily hair, I ensure that I again don't use it. So I use it only the days that I oil my hair. So another clip that I took is, so these ones were expensive, like they were 400 or something. Yeah. So yeah, so this one is like that very special one. So it has it has a bow, and it has the pearl detailing. Yeah, and it has a yellow color theme, and it's very strong as well. Yeah, good quality. Yes. So yeah, so you have various colors also in this. So I went for a light pink one, and it makes your hair look so nice. Like I am obviously showing here, but you need to put it here. Just look at that. So beautiful. Yeah, even this is a style, right? Yeah, you can use it like this also. Yeah, so yeah, so this is another style. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, loved it. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, love it. Yes. Another, so I always like to store back in this covers only, so that I don't damage the pearls, and that lace fabric is good. So I always like to store back in the same covers. Yeah, so in that way they're protected. So another clip that I have is this butterfly clip, and I took a baby pink one. Yeah, clearly I have a pink obsession. So yeah, so I took this baby pink one. So nice, yeah, right? Just look at that. Wow. Yeah, I just love. Yeah, I am a huge clip person, because my hair is so thick. Yeah, it needs good clips. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah. So I would like to, just put my hair here, and make a good, half up pony, and then put these clips. They look very good like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you a couple of ties that I got, and they all have the, it came in very good packaging, like in this packaging. So I'm gonna store it back in this, so that they don't get dirty. So this is the clip that I really loved. Yeah, just look at that. Obviously you're not supposed to give it here, but here is, it will look so nice from behind. Yeah, so this is the one. Yeah, just look at that, man. So lovely, and it has that such a good quality, and it was so, like, not even so pricey. Yeah, I'm just gonna, everything I'm showing here, like, how will it look? Yeah, just look at that. Oh my god, I just look so funny. But yeah, just look at that. It's so nice, man. I just love, all the accessories. Like, I love all kinds of accessories, like, hair, and, jewelry, and all of that. I just love. So I really loved this. Yeah, one of the best ones. So not only, for your hair, you also, like, when you braid your hair, you also have these ones. Yeah, these baby butterfly, sorry, these small bow. You have various colors, so I just went for various colors. So you have yellow, you have violet, you have a mint green. So you also have this, like, like a polka, a printed one with flowers, and it has this, it's a lavender. And you also have, a turquoise, like a mint green. These are the ones, like, when you tie your hair in the last, you can, make it fancy. A simple look, also very good with this. And I also have another red one. For me, I for sure need a red one. Yeah, so this one you can just, I'm just gonna show you guys. So, this one you can just, so this one you can just, oh my god, I have put that reverse. Yeah, so this one you can just, put it like this. Yes, yeah, I'm just showing you guys, how it will look. So these are all, check out my Instagram. I'm gonna style all of this. Yeah, it looks so nice. I'm such a accessory person. Yeah, so this is another one. I really love the quality of everything for the price. Wow, the quality is wow. So some more accessories that I have is, they came so nice, all bagged. So let's see some of the clips that I have. So I really love clips. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So these are the clips. They are in the white color. It's so nice. Just look at that. I really love clips. So yeah, so they make every look so good and so nice. Yeah, just look at that. So I'm gonna use one more and show you guys. Yeah. So yeah, so every look makes it looks so nice with, just a simple accessory, and it was not even so expensive. So I like this one, just one. So yeah, instead of two, it looks so nice. Just look at that, so cute. Yeah, right? So yeah, so love it. Yeah, and let's check, like, some more. Yeah, so yeah, let's see some more accessories. So the next one that I have is, like, I really wanted these color hairpins. Just look at how cute they look. Yeah, so yeah, so you have yellow, you have orange, you have pink. So you can just partition your hair and put them. They look so nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and the next one that I have is this flowers. Just look at how cute they are. Yeah, so I'm gonna use one and show you guys. Yeah, I really loved, they're multicolor. So you have these, you have whites, all of the neutral colors in this, and bright colors in this. So let me show you, the light, bright colors one. Just look at that. Makes every look so cute and so special. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, and even the quality is so nice, and it was not even so expensive. Yeah, just love it. Yeah, just go for it. Yeah, if you also love all of the accessories like me. And the next one that I have is, like, I really wanted this cat one. Yeah, And you also have this infinity one, like with gold detailing. So I'm gonna show you, this one, the dog one. It's a dog, I think so. Yeah, right. Let's see. Yeah, just look at that. Everything is so cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna also going to try this infinity one. Wow, just look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I just love it. Yeah. So I took so many, I think each was, a pack of, 200 or something. Yeah, that's it. Yes. And the next one that I have is this one. Yeah, it's like so cute. Yeah, this is another one that I have. And the next one that I have is, frog one and a bow one. So let's try the bow one. So yeah, just look at that bow. So cute. Yeah. So I'm going to keep this the entire video. Yeah. So yeah, the next one that you have is this frog one, and everything came so good and packaged in this. Yeah. So I always, keep checking out what are the new things in this website, and I keep taking. So you also have another color. So this is one, this is the boy version and this is the girl version. Yeah. So you have two. Yes. And the next one that I have is this pearl hair clips. Yeah. Bobby pins. Pearl bobby pins. So nice. Yeah. You can use it. And the next one that I have is this yellow hearts. So nice. Yeah, so this yellow hearts, I really love this yellow hearts. Always remember, like, bright colors like this spice up a look. So always have them, yeah. And the next one that I have is, you will love these. These ones were expensive, yeah, because they were, a lot of like little bit more fancy and they have stones, right? So these ones were expensive. I think each was 600 or something like that, yeah. So this one was a little expensive. So you have a shell one, and you have a heart one, and you have this pink ruby one. Yeah. So let's try the pink ruby one. These are very like cute. So if you want like a little bit fancy, you can go for these. Yeah. Even the quality is very nice. Like yeah. Just look at that. Yeah. Just love it. Yeah. So yeah. So you also have a this very nice, like that purple color, so royal, and it shines also. I also love this hearts one. Yeah. So let me put this properly. Wow, just look at that, so cute. Yeah, I just love them. I'm just in love all of them. Yeah, right. So the next one that I have is this one. Yeah, this is the last one. The box is empty. Yeah, so I just want to come here, shoot just for 10 minutes and show all the accessories to you guys. So I have this bow one, and I also have this teddy bear one. It's all a gray theme, and this one is all the pink and wine theme. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the gray theme. So yeah, just look at these, so cute. So you have the teddy bear one, yeah, and this is the teddy bear one, and this is the bow one, and this is the gray one, and just look at these detailing. So you also have a flower right here, so cute, yeah. So yeah guys, so those are all the accessories that I have. I just love these stone ones. Yeah, they're so glittery, and you also love this. Yeah, I also love these. So I always like try to protect them with good, giving good covers and all of that. Yeah. So yeah guys, so those were everything that I got in my haul. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Check out all the links. I'll try to put as many as links in the description, so do check out. Yeah.